Well, Chicago is getting 2 new mental health centers after voters overwhelmingly said yes to creating them. During the November election, voters on the city's south and southwest sides were asked to weigh in on a binding referendum that would expand mental health services within their communities. It comes with a slight property tax increase for people living in the impacted neighborhoods, $4 for every $1,000 you currently pay. 91% of voters approved the establishment of an Inglewood and Greater Chatham mental health service program. The Near Southwest Side program was approved with 79% of that vote. And joining us now to talk about all of this are Raphael Arteberry and Alina Hernandez, both of you with the Coalition to Save Our Mental Health Centers. It's a nonprofit that was instrumental in getting these referendums passed. Thanks so much for being here on this very snowy morning. I really appreciate it. Okay, Raphael, why don't I start with you? I know this has been a 2-year effort for the Coalition, right?
Correct.
And I know it's very important for this to be community-led. Tell me why that is.
So basically, it comes with a 0.025% property tax increase, as you explained, which is $4 for every $1,000 that a person pays in property taxes. And so residents from these communities would be voting to approve, funding their own community center, mental health center, where anyone in that area doesn't have insurance or ability to pay, they would get services free of charge.
So by involving them and having them cast votes on it, and then thus them agreeing to it, it makes them invested in the programs in a way, yeah?
Absolutely.
Right.
So there's a community action team that is formed where those 2 summers we're out collecting signatures. We're identifying residents that understand the importance of having, a community-funded mental health center where, there are, funds available for residents that don't have services or ability to pay.
How did this, Alina, how did this referendum come about, though? I mean, it must have taken a lot of work. Raphael, you were talking about collecting signatures. How did it come about? How did it get on the ballot? And were you surprised that it passed so really overwhelmingly?
Was I surprised? No, because I know the team has been putting in so much work and so much effort, like whether it was snowing, raining, they were out. The kids were out. Everybody was out promoting. They were passing out flyers. We were attending events. Just
you really wanted to get the community involved.
And I want the kids to feel like they could make a change even now. Before they could even vote, they could still do things to make an impact in the community, because at the end of the day, it really does take a village in order to make these changes.
Now, we know we've read a lot about mental health struggles increasing during the pandemic. We know that there are a lot of concerns about young people and mental health struggles. Is that why you feel this is so needed in your community? And I want to ask you the same question when Alina's done too.
Yes, I definitely do think that is very much needed, especially after the pandemic. We've seen like a huge change in a lot of youth, especially since I work with them at Chicago Youth Boxing Club. I get to see the impact it made in even just communicating, like just being able to speak up when they need something. Like a lot of people were isolated for so long that it kind of affected their mental health. And a lot of kids that I know, they come to my facility in Little Village because they're looking for an outlet, for a source to let out like a lot of stress or things that they're going through. And
a lot of trauma sometimes in some neighborhoods too. Raphael, is that the same? Do you feel that this is needed because of so many factors, including sometimes the violence a lot of them see?
Yeah, I definitely agree. One thing that you do notice and see that since the pandemic, like there used to be a stigma around mental health, in these communities, but since the pandemic, that stigma has kind of reduced, like people understand the importance.
People are talking about it,
yes,
saying
absolutely.
We need to get the help. Real quick, and then I have to wrap us, I'm so sorry. Can you tell us about the other centers the Coalition has helped create, kind of give us the bottom line.
I can respond on that. Okay. So, currently there are 6 expanded mental health services programs that have been established. Well, the Inglewood, Greater Chatham, and the Near Southwest Side make the 7th and 8th. But there are currently 3 centers open currently right now. One serving the North River area is the Kizzy Center, been established since 2015. You have the Encompassing Center, which serves the west side, North Lawndale, East and West Garfield Park, and the nearest west side community. That opened in October of 2019. And then the most recent center, the LOSA Center of Hope, is for the Logan Square, Avondale, and Hermosa residents, and that center just opened in April of this year.
Wonderful. Well, we will continue to follow your progress. Congratulations on getting the initiative on the ballot and then getting those passed as well. And I know it's much needed. So, Rafael Arteberry and Alina Hernandez from the Coalition to Save Our Mental Health Centers, thank you so much for being here this morning. We really appreciate it. Drive safe.
All
All right, in the snow.